2, 3.
Happy Thanksgiving! What we have here, by the way, I am Allie Mack. These are my nieces and nephews. Owen, Evelyn, Otto, and Emma over here.
No, applesauce. Applesauce.
Applesauce next year. This is a 2018 edition of the mashed potato eating competition between the Mardos siblings. Woo!
I can do it.
Okay, tell the camera. Every Christmas, what do we do every year for Christmas?
Go to see a movie.
Whoever finishes their potatoes first gets to pick out the movie.
Okay, let me take off my
Deal? All right, get ready. Have these toppings to put on your mashed potatoes if you wish. Sprinkles, as requested by Emma, gravy, or cheese.
I'll eat cheese.
You want cheese?
Can I eat some sprinkles by myself?
Emma's going with sprinkles. Evelyn is going with cheese. The boys are staying plain. It's a very fine strategy that Evelyn's got going on here. Just put the whole thing of cheese on there. The rules to the potato eating competition. The mashed potatoes are in these little tins. We are going hands behind the back. No utensils, no hands. You must just only use your mouth, like in a Christmas Story. What's his name? Ralphie and... No.
I'm eating the cheese.
Where did Owen go? We lost one.
I'm eating all.
Such a Christmas movie.
She is still going with the cheese. Put your hands behind your backs. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. If you're 4 and under, you can hold the tin. How's that cheese?
It's hard.
Want me to recenter for you? There you go.
Yeah.
Evelyn's really going for it.
I know. Can I smush the bowl?
Yeah, smush it.
Go, Evelyn, go.
Come on, Owen.
Yeah. Y'all are failures.
Evelyn's doing her own thing.
Oh, it just went up my nose.
Right now, it looks like Emma's the only one trying.
Smash that coffee.
Oh, and Emma just like, ah!
Go,
Can
Evelyn,
I just win automatically?
go. No, go. You gotta finish. You gotta finish.
I'm eating cheese off.
Eat the cheese. Here, I'll hold it. Go. Things you never thought you would do.
Oh! It was a fried piece.
Oh no! Okay, Emma wins! Emma wins! You're the Mardos mashed potato champion!
Haha. This sweatshirt's gonna be ruined. There's an eyelash in it.
No, there's not.